In this video, I am going to give you unboxing and review of Xtreme Acoustics SGM-02 mic, which is basically a shotgun mic from Xtreme Acoustics company. In the box here you can see one Instagram ID is given there, and it is saying that if you share this, like this channel, and you will get it additional warranty. By default it comes with 1 year warranty from this brand, but box here you can see there is nowhere written the important details, customer care number or anything, MRP, anything not written there, just a brand number and some barcode, and the feature of this product is there, and one QR code, and there is free course or something is given there, and the other side the model number is written there and nothing else. There is no seal pack. So I bought it at 900 rupees. I will give the best buy link in the description. You can buy from there. So just I am going to open the box from the top. This is a very yellow color and very good looking box, and very simple box as I can say, and basically this is a very much budget friendly, cheap price shotgun mic for the beginners. In the box, first thing you will get the condenser microphone, guidance that how to connect with camera and your mobile, and polar pattern, everything is written there, and then nothing else. This mic can be connected with your laptop, MacBook, Linux, Windows laptop, and as well as your desktop with your Android mobile. Everything is possible to connect, and as well as DSLR and mirrorless camera. So huge variety of devices can be connected. So first thing we will get inside the box, that is the dead cat. This is very much important thing. You should have to use this dead cat to remove the noise or background noise when you are doing vlogging or basically indoor condition. This mic can be used for work from home purpose, voiceover purpose, or video call, whatever conference you are doing, online classes, and as well as vlogging it is possible. So there is two kind of wire is given there. So if the both sides have two cuts, that's mean, or the telephone receiver type wire is rounded type is there, that's mean it is for camera. Another wire is given there where is one sided is 2 cut and another side is 3 cut. 3 cut will go inside your laptop and your mobile phone. 2 cut will go inside your desktop and your camera. So this is the shock mount is given there. So here you can see the shock mount. You have to attach this shock mount in your top of the camera, or you can use the tripod which comes with the shock mount holder to attach your mobile and as well as this kind of mic. So I will give that tripod link in the description. You can buy it from there. So this is the main metal body microphone or the shotgun microphone. This is the main mic. Here you can see full metal body is given there, and the front there is the grill where it will capture the noise. In the back side there is no audio will capture. So basically it is for the fixed distance, for the vlogging purpose or self vlogging or the background voiceover, whatever you are doing. This is only for that kind of purpose, work from home, voiceover, and vlogging, this kind of purpose. This is not a good microphone for the interview purpose or where you are very far distance from the camera. This is not for them. This is only for the purpose when you are doing or talking in front of camera or in front of mic. So you have to attach the shock mount in this way in top of your camera. I am using the Fujifilm X-A7 mirrorless camera. You can do it in your DSLR camera, but remember DSLR camera is going to be obsolete nowadays. So if you do not have the camera, go with for the mirrorless one. Don't go with for the DSLR, because DSLR is going to absolutely obsolete in near future. So mirrorless camera is very good for vlogging, and as well as size will be compact and weight will be less. So in this way you have to attach the mic top of the shock mount, and then you have to connect the jack. So I will have to connect one side with the mic, another side with the camera. So in this way you have to connect with your camera. So, and another thing is that you have to apply the dead cat. Absolutely I will recommend to use the dead cat every time to reduce the background noise. So it will basically sometimes reduce the level of the audio, but you can bump up that audio during the post processing, so that's not a matter. So here I have 2.5mm jack in my camera. So camera company Fujifilm already given a converter 2.5mm to 3.5mm, so that will I connect first, then 3.5mm female jack will connect to that mic 3.5mm male jack, and in this way total connection will happen. So now I'm going to show you how you can connect or attach the dead cat top of this mic. Here you can see how I am connecting. Remember, do not remove or again attach again and again this kind of dead cat, because the feather will be outside or will detach, because very cheap quality, so the adhesive will be dried up and your feather will go away. So do not do too much attach and detach from this mic, this dead cut. Keep the dead cut as it is, and it will also save your mic from getting dust. So that's it. So it is full metal body, top to bottom mic is metal body. So now dead cut is attached. So now again I'm going to attach the mic in the camera. So if you are doing vlogging, make the source or the face to the lens, and if you are doing from the back side, you are just talking from the back and recording in the front, so the direction of the mic will be in the opposite side. So this way is for the self vlogging, and the opposite way you can just talk from the back side. So two ways possible, two direction you can attach it, there is no problem whatsoever. So I'm just connecting that again and it is done. So connection is done. So now I'm gonna show you one thing, how you can understand that this mic will work perfectly or not. So go to the audio level in your camera, whatever is there, and tap on the mic. If you are tapping on the mic and you are seeing left and right, both channel are symmetrical and both channel are responding, that's mean your mic is perfectly working and ready to use. So here you can see left and right channel are working perfectly. So this mic is supported with your camera. Now I'm gonna show you audio samples. So just use your headphone and hear the audio sample. This audio is being recorded Xtreme Acoustic shotgun mic, which is connected directly with the 3.5mm mobile connector jack with my laptop. Here I am using MacBook Air M1. So you can record in your desktop with the directly mic connector, and here you can see how the audio is, and I am using indoor condition, so you can understand how the background noise is capturing. So I am now just pausing 3 to 4 seconds and you can understand how much background noise is capturing right now. That's all in the testing with my laptop. This audio is being recorded using Xtreme Acoustic shotgun mic in the outdoor condition using Android mobile. I have connected directly with 3.5mm jack with my Android mobile, and I am now in the terrace. So there is lots of background noise, so I am just going to pause 2 or 3 seconds to show you how much background noise it's capturing. So that's all. It is the testing completes for my mobile. This audio is being recorded using Xtreme Acoustic mic, and I am doing vlogging with my Fujifilm X-A7 camera, and here you can see how the audio is. I'm gonna pause for a couple of seconds so that you can understand what is the background noise it is capturing. And this is the normal distance of vlogging. Here you can see in your hand, if you are carrying a tripod, how much distance it can be. That amount of distance I'm just talking in front of camera, and here you can see how much audio is capturing, and the audio level of my camera 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So it is right now at 4, top highest condition, so you can understand how much audio quality. This is the indoor condition. So right now I'm going to go outdoor condition in my terrace. So there I will record and you can understand how much audio it will be capable for the outdoor vlogging. So let's go. So right now I am in my terrace, and this is typically outdoor condition. There is lots of background noises coming. There is some band procession is going on. So I am just going to pause couple of seconds so that you can able to hear the background noise and you can understand how much background noise this Xtreme Acoustic shotgun mic will capture. So let's conclude the testing. In my opinion, it is a very good mic And considering the price point of 900 rupees or around 1200 or 900 you can get in the sale days. So it is a very good mic for the beginners. You can use with your MacBook, with your laptop, with your desktop, with your mobile, and with your camera, everywhere you can use. So it is very much lots of device it supports. Another thing is that it does not require any additional batteries, so that is another good thing. So, and the audio quality, I say this is a very good on the price point. It reduces the background noise quite a bit, but not almost, if not 100%, it will reduce the background noise. For that you have to do the post processing, and apart from that there is nothing. Cons of this microphone: build quality is good, all the accessories is good, but the one thing is that in the box there is no customer care number or not, something else is not written there, so you have to collect it from their official website. That's all in this video. If you have any question regarding this product, do let me ask in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. Till my next video, it's goodbye, take care and be safe.